Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing fast. Install VirtualBox and the extension pack so USB and networking work. Once done, download the correct Windows ISO and confirm 32 versus 64-bit. Make sure CPU virtualization is enabled in BIOS or UEFI because guest performance depends on it. Next, create a new VM, pick Windows version, assign RAM and processors, balance host needs and VM requirements. Finally, create a virtual hard disk with VDI format and dynamically allocated storage to save host space. You now focus on detailed configuration. Attach the ISO to the virtual optical drive and check the boot order so installation begins. Once attached, set network mode to NAT for easy internet or bridge to appear on LAN, choose depending on access needs. Enable USB and shared clipboard if you plan file transfer. Start the VM, follow the Windows installer, create the desired partition on the VDI, and complete the standard setup steps. Make sure to install guest editions after the first login for better integration. You finish by installing guest editions to gain drivers, seamless mouse capture, and shared folder support. Reboot the VM after installation. Then configure display resolution and scaling, add a shared folder for quick file exchange, and take an initial snapshot before heavy changes. Make sure Windows updates and VirtualBox guest editions stay aligned to avoid regressions. If something goes wrong, first check virtualization is enabled and that Hyper-V isn't blocking VirtualBox. Disable Hyper-V or enable VTX/AMDV in firmware. Then retry starting the VM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.